Most people think AI is just for big companies and tech guys, but right now, regular people are using it to make real money, and barely anyone is talking about this. The best part is you don't need a degree, you don't need experience, you don't even need an office. Just a laptop and internet connection. But here's the thing. Most people who are trying to make money with AI are doing it completely wrong. Wrong tools, wrong industries. They end up wasting months with nothing to show for it. So in this video, I'm going to show you the 7 real ways to make money with AI in 2026. Simple, straight to the point. And for each one, I'll also tell you how much you can realistically expect to make whether you're in the US or India. So here's what we'll be covering today. 7 actual ways people are making money with AI right now. We are talking about automation, building mini tools, content work, consulting, voice income websites, and many more. And at the end, I'll also tell you the best course right now if you actually want to learn all of this properly and get certified. But before we get into the 7 ways, we need to talk about the one mistake that kills most people's chances before they even start. So the biggest mistake people make is they go after industries that are already completely flooded. Generic blog writing, basic AI art, random chatbots nobody asked for, everyone is doing it. So rates are low, competition is insane, and you make almost nothing. Stay away from stock photo sites, content mills, and any platform where AI has already replaced most of the work. Instead, go after local businesses, small agencies, real estate agents, clinics, law firms. Now, these people are busy, not very tech savvy. They also will happily pay good money to save time. So stop going wide, go specific. That's the switch. So before we get started, here's a quick quiz question for you. What's the easiest way to make money with AI? Starting an e-commerce store, automating tasks for businesses, investing in stocks, building complex software? Let me know your answers in the comment section below. So now that you know what to avoid, let's talk about the first real way to make money. At number 1, we have workflow automation services. So this first one is honestly one of the most underrated ways to make money with AI right now. Businesses have repetitive tasks happening every single day. Sending emails, sorting leads, pulling reports, updating spreadsheets. They hate doing it manually, and they'll pay someone to just make it stop. You'll use tools like Anytin or Make to build automated workflows for them. You connect with the tools together, set it up at once, and it just runs on its own. How to get started? First, you need to pick one industry like real estate or e-commerce. Spend a week or 2 learning how Anytin works. It's not complicated, it's really very simple. Then reach out to small businesses and offer to automate one simple thing for them. Now, if we talk about the money, then in US, you can charge a setup fee of around $500 to $2,000 per client. Then a monthly retainer of $200 to $500 just to keep things running. Get 5 clients and you are already making $1,000 to $2,500 a month without doing much extra work. If we talk about in India, the setup fee is around 15,000 rupees to 50,000 per client. Monthly retainer up to 5,000 to 15,000. Very realistic to hit up to 50,000 rupees to 1 lakh a month once you have a few clients going. Now, here's the cool thing about the next way. It actually builds on top of this same idea, but with a very different specific twist that most people haven't thought of. At number 2, we have steal competitors, unhappy customers. Okay, so this one sounds aggressive, but hear me out, it's actually just smart business. Every business have unhappy customers having bad Google reviews or complaining on social media. You use AI to scan those reviews, find patterns in what people are frustrated about, and then you go to a competitor in the same space and say, hey, your competitor's customers are unhappy about this specific thing. I can help you win those customers over. So you're basically showing up with a ready-made opportunity in your hands. You're not selling AI, you are selling customers, and every business wants more customers. Tools like Anytin can automate the whole scanning and outreach process. Set it up once and it keeps finding opportunities for you. How to get started? Pick a local industry like restaurants or salons. Use AI to scan Google reviews of businesses in your city. Find the complaints, build a simple report, then go to the competitor with that report, and then you offer your service. Now, if we talk about the money, then in US, you can charge $500 to $1,500 as a setup fee, plus monthly retainers of $300 to $800 per client. In India, you can start from 10,000 rupees going up to 40,000 rupees setup, 8,000 to 20,000 per month per client. Very scalable once you have the workflow running. Okay, so these are the first two ways which require you to be a little proactive, going out and finding clients. But the next one, this is more of a sit back and let the money come to you kind of thing. At number 3, we have passive income with your voice. This one sounds too simple, but it genuinely works. Tools like 11 Labs let you clone your own voice. You record yourself speaking for about 30 minutes, upload it, and now that the voice can narrate videos, audiobooks, explainer content without you even recording again. Creators, course sellers, YouTube channels, they constantly need voiceovers, and most of them really don't want to record every single time. How to get started? First of all, you can set up an 11 Labs account, clone your voice, and offer voiceover services on platforms like Fiverr or voices.com. You can also reach out directly to content creators who need this. So if we talk about the money, then in the US, you can make up around $200 to $1,000 per month passively once your voice is set up. Active voiceover work can get you around $50 to $200 per project on top of that. And in India, it starts from around 5,000 rupees going up to 25,000 per month once you build a small client base. Now, English voice work especially pays well, since a lot of international clients are looking for this. Now, passive income is great, but if you want to make the most money on the list, the next one is where it's at. At number 4, we have becoming an AI consultant. This is honestly the highest earning option on the list, and it's simpler than it sounds. Most small businesses know AI is a big deal right now, but they have no clue where to start. They don't know which tools to use, how to set things up, or what's even possible for them. And that's exactly where you come in. You don't need to be a programmer for this. You just need to understand a few tools well, like ChatGPT, Claude, Anytin, Notion AI, and know how to apply them to actual business problems. The model that works is very simple. First, you do a short paid discovery session where you sit with them, understand their workflow, and find where they are wasting time. Then you build a solution, then you charge a monthly retainer to maintain and improve it over time. How to get started? Pick up one type of business like a marketing agency or a local clinic. Figure out their biggest time-wasting problems. Then show up and say, I can fix this with AI. Now, if we talk about the money, then in the US, you can earn around $1,000 to $5,000 per project, plus $500 to $2,000 per month per client on retainer. Top consultants are making up to $10,000 to $20,000 a month doing this. And in India, the salary goes from 20,000 to 1 lakh per project, depending on complexity. Monthly retainers of 15,000 to 50,000 per client, and this is genuinely one of the best paying options in India right now. Alright, so consulting is a great way if you like working with business directly, but the next one is perfect if you would rather work with creators and are into content. At number 5, we have helping creators make content faster. So content creators have one massive problem. They simply cannot produce enough content fast enough. A YouTuber needs scripts, thumbnails, descriptions, social posts, email newsletters. A podcaster needs show notes, clips, captions. It literally never ends for them. And that is your opportunity. You step in and manage that entire content pipeline using tools like ChatGPT, Claude, and Jasper, scripts, repurposing, scheduling. You basically become the content engine behind the scene. How to get started? Reach out to mid-sized YouTubers or podcasters who are really overwhelmed. Offer to handle just one part of their workflow. Then once they see the results, expand from there. In the US, you can charge around $500 to $3,000 per month per creator client on a retainer. In India, it goes from 15,000 rupees to 60,000 rupees per month per client. If you manage 3 to 4 creators at the same time, you are doing really well. Now, that's all about working with online creators. But what about the businesses right in your city? That's what the next way is all about. Building and selling websites to local businesses. Look around in your area. Most local businesses, your neighborhood restaurant, gym, salon, clinic, either don't have a website or have one that looks absolutely terrible. They know it's a problem but have no idea how to fix it. And that's where you walk in. With AI tools like Framer, Wix, AI, or 10Web, you can build a clean professional website in just a few hours. Zero coding needed at all. You build it, sell it to them, and then offer to manage it, monthly updates, SEO, small changes. That becomes your recurring income. The pitch is dead simple. You just say, I'll build your website that brings in more customers. That's honestly all they want to hear. How to get started? Walk around your area, find businesses with bad or no websites, build them a quick sample website as a free demo, and then pitch it. And if we talk about the money, then in the US, you can earn around $300 to $1,500 per website, monthly management going up to $100 to $300 per client. And in India, it starts from 8,000 rupees to 40,000 per website. The prices may go even higher. The monthly maintenance goes from 3,000 to 8,000 per client, scale to 10 clients, and that's really solid, steady income every month. Okay, so that was about building for others, but what if you could build something once and sell it to hundreds of people? That's exactly what the last way is about, and honestly, it's my favorite one on the list. At number 7, we have build and sell your own AI tool. This is the newest and the most exciting opportunity on this list right now. The idea is called Micro-SaaS. You find one very specific problem, something annoying that people do manually every single day, and you build a small AI tool that solves just one thing. For example, a tool that auto-replies to Google reviews, one that runs a long meeting recording into a clean summary, one that generates social media posts from a blog article, simple, specific, useful. And here's what most people don't realize. You don't need to be a developer at all anymore. Tools like Claude Code, Replit, Cursor, Bolt let you build these just by describing what you want in plain English. You literally type in what your AI tool should do, and the AI helps you build it. I've personally used Claude Code and Replit, and honestly, it has completely changed how fast you can go from just an idea to an actual working product. You can also charge a small monthly subscription like $9 or $19 a month, get 200 users, and that's already $2,000 to $4,000 a month in recurring income every month without doing much extra. How to get started? Go to Reddit, look for people complaining about repetitive tasks, find a problem that keeps coming up again and again, build the simplest possible tool that fixes it, put it out there, test it, then scale it up. If we talk about in the US, the salary goes from $1,000 to $10,000 per month once you find traction. Some micro-SaaS founders crosses $5,000 monthly recurring revenue within just 6 months. In India, the salary goes from 30,000 rupees to 3 lakh per month, depending on your user base. And since you're already selling to people globally, your location doesn't limit you at all. So now that you know the 7 ways, the next question is, how do you actually get good at this stuff? Because look, watching videos is a great way to start. But if you really want to go deep, get certified, and actually get hired or start earning with AI, you need proper structured learning. And honestly, the best option I've come across right now is the professional certificate course in Generative AI and Machine Learning by Simplilearn, done in collaboration with IIT Kanpur. Now, why does this stand out compared to other random courses online? First, you get a certificate directly from IIT Kanpur. That's not a small thing. That's a name that actually carries weight on your resume, whether you're applying for a job or pitching a client. Second, it's not just about theory. You'll be getting 15 plus hands-on real-world projects. You actually build things like AI-powered tools, chatbots, recommendation engines, the kind of stuff we talked about in this video. Third, the course covers everything you need to know. Machine learning, deep learning, generative AI, ChatGPT, prompt engineering, all in one place. And on the top of that, they also help you with placements, resume building, mock interviews, job assistance. So what are you waiting for? Hurry up and enroll now. The course link is mentioned below. So those are the 7 real ways to make money with AI in 2026. And look, you don't have to do all of them. Just pick the one that fits you best. If you're good at talking to people, go for consulting. If you're more on technical side, try building a micro tool. If you're creative, help creators with their content. There's something here for everyone. The point is, AI is not replacing people. It's replacing people who don't know how to use AI. And now you do. If this video was helpful, hit that like button and subscribe because I'm going to keep making videos like this. Thank you and keep learning with Simplilearn.